Hi, I am Jaya and I am a Code Star at Code Vidya. I have been teaching in Code Vidya since 3 months and I teach Scratch here. My achievements are I have cleared IBPS, that is one of the nationalized exams. The other one is that I was a topper throughout my BTech, and then I got selected for a workshop in Asian Institute of Technology, Bangkok. And post that, if I talk about my culturals, I have been a participant of Amul Star Voice of India when I was very small in class 9. So my hobbies are singing and dancing, and I've been singing since my childhood. And I am a Hindustani classical trained singer, and I have participated in various state level and district level competitions, and I've been the winner. And I've performed in so many stages, so many performances I have given. So it has always been my passion, and finally, after a long year, after I becoming a mother, a wife, all that, I started a YouTube channel finally, and I have a YouTube channel. I sing over it and I feel happy. So I chose coding because I have been doing coding since many years. I am doing it, and it is in my blood, you can say. And instead of working in banking industry for so many years, this coding into blood made me do masters in data analytics, coding, R coding, SAS coding, all types of coding. I just loved it. So that's why I left banking industry, and again I'm there into IT sector. So just like at early age, children learn any other human languages to communicate. To communicate with computers, it is just like any other languages. If they, understand the logics and thinking how to approach, it will be easier for them to proceed with the coding thing, because again the world is digitalized. Everything is based on coding. So I chose Code Vidya because whatever I know, little or more, I just wanted to share with all the children, because this is the technology world and all the children must know what is coding and what all about technology. Everything they should be aware of. So I just chose this profession, this Code Vidya, teaching with Code Vidya, because it was a platform wherein I can showcase and help other children to learn coding. So the kids, when I first give a trial, they are little slow. They are enthusiastic, but they are little hesitant to apply any concept or any step. When I am completed with 4-5 sessions, I just ask them this you need to do, and they simply drag and drops and do the coding in 5 minutes, 10 minutes mostly. So they become fast as the number of sessions I meet them. So this is my first edtech company in which I'm working as a trainer. The best ever thing which I feel is that in just 2.5 months, I'm teaching kids throughout the globe. So teachers have been teaching since 10 years, 15 years in that particular area students, but in 2.5 months, I'm teaching and I'm interacting with them throughout globally. So the best moment with Code Vidya was, so I told you my hobby has been singing, and coincidentally my students are also into singing. So two of them, they learn guitar, and one of them learn vocals somewhere. So they were like, can I play guitar in front of you, ma'am? So one of them just played guitar and sung song in front of me, and then we started the coding session. So it was very fun. It was a fun moment for me. So the journey with Code Vidya has been a short for me and fun as well. It's been wonderful. The seniors of mine are very supportive. The tech team, just in a single call or a message, they are ready to help. And if somebody wants to teach coding, if somebody wants to teach coding, they love coding, and kids, this is the right platform to showcase and enhance your skills. Okay, so the best coding tip for any kid is that they should be very clear in their fundamentals. So, and just like mathematics, how much they practice, they will become strong at it. How much ever they practice coding, they will be very comfortable in that language. So fundamentals and practice is the most basic tip and important tip.